Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if a recent Instagram update has ruined your profile grid. Now, as you may already know, the recent Instagram update has changed the grid previews from square to rectangular, similar to how they appear in the Reels tab. However, it's possible to fix this issue and get the original GURD preview back. To do this, simply head to your Instagram profile and open any photo. Here, tap this three-dot menu icon and you'll see a list of options. Here, tap on this Adjust Preview option. Now, Instagram will show your photo in the grid. Tap on this Fit option to return it to previous layout and then tap Done in the top right corner. Now, the only problem is that you will need to do this for each photo that you want to appear square in the profile. Once you do, your Instagram profile grid should appear as normal. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.